Okay.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Roanoke-Stanton River at Randolph from late tonight until further notice.
Well, that was
At 10 a.m.
unexpected.
Wednesday, the stage was 21.1 feet and rising. Flood stage is 24.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. Rise above flood stage by early Thursday morning. Impact at 25.0 feet. Water is several feet deep on portions of River Road and Black Walnut Road. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 27.3 feet on February 8, 2020.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Dan River near Wentworth from late tonight until late Friday night. At 10 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 12.9 feet. Flood stage is 19.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. Rise above flood stage by early Thursday morning and continue to rise to near 22.8 feet by Thursday evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Friday evening. Impact at 23.0 feet. Significant flooding throughout Dan River Valley. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 22.6 feet on February 24th, 2019. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg.
Okay, I don't know where those flood warnings came from, but yeah, I was waiting for the RWT. But they issued 2 flood warnings, apparently. So, yeah, there's that.
Gale warning in effect through this evening. Rest of today, east winds 20 to 25 knots, increasing to 25 to 30 knots late. Gusts to 35 knots. Waves 4 to 5 feet. Areas of drizzle late this morning and early afternoon.
It's about time. Oh, come on. Are you serious?
11:30 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next fair weather day. You will be informed between 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. each test day if the test will or will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test.
That's almost as short as Boise.
Yep.
Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia.
No, why the heck did the
East winds 20 to 25 knots, increasing to 25 to 30 knots late.
Here we go. Alrighty, there was the RWT. And I don't know why this did not activate, but
Showers.
Yeah, that makes no sense.
it didn't. And this over here was my fault. I totally forgot the alert was off, so it's still activated though.
Yeah.
And I'm here with.
Do what?
Say your name.
What?
Say your name.
Your name.
Your YouTube name.
YouTube name.
Come on.
Attack 24.
Yeah. And
AKA the troll.
see you in the next video. Peace.